Alright, so boom. Take yourself back to your high school days and imagine you trying to put a basket on a sucker's head only to receive 10 beats of the baldrian by some rapscallion from the stands. What kind of wager did he have on this high school game? Homie said y'all not covering the spread if it's the last thing he does. Oh my God! Let's slow it down and go over every detail. I've never in my life seen an isolation broken up like this. 24 was just trying to pay tribute to Kobe the best way he could. But take a look to the left of the screen. A new challenger approaches. This hooded hooligan didn't want to let mans be great. To make matters worse, the referees didn't even recognize he was on the floor. Must have thought one of the teams made a substitution but couldn't afford the extra jersey.
Help me! Oh my God!
The worst thing number 24 could do is pick up his dribble, cause the moment homie saw the help defense on the way, he decided ISO ball is all he came to see. Immediately started participating in anime Jeopardy. What's the name of the furry animal tribe that resides on top of an elephant in the anime One Piece? Who are the minks? Even the mafia doesn't execute point shaving like this. What kind of operation this brother running? Now look at him, catching hands like a prosthetic bend. Slam his ass.
Bruce!
But look at Mans, who's originally guarding the ball handler. He watches his teammate get wiped out in front of him, and homie takes off running.
What are you?
Pussy.
Legend has it he ran all the way home. Man's teammate came off the bench to provide some minks. But this man seen his brother in arms on the ground, but decided it's now time to retreat. Look how unresponsive the blue team is to the disarray that's going on the court. Not a single soul reacted. That's how you know they were probably in on this whole charade. It's a 5-point game in the third quarter with 3:50 left to play, but they said a forfeit is better than a loss.
Get your hand out of my pocket!
Bruce!
If that's a student, expel that child. If it's an adult, arrest that man. Contact the authorities.
Where's the cops when you need one?
Mans was not lying when he said it was on site. Call the police!
Help! Police!
We are the police.
We are the police.
The police of Haiti.
The police of Haiti.
Take his ass to jail! You go to jail, you son of a bitch!
All right, hold on, man.
You go to jail!
Wait a minute. If you guys haven't downloaded the Underdog Fantasy app yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I've collected so many W's, they might subtract the letter from the alphabet and hand it over to me. I'm up $3,500.
Big money!
So what are you waiting for? This Thursday, Underdog is gifting you a free square for Jalen Hurts higher than half a total yard in the big game. Make sure you click the link in my description, download the Underdog Fantasy app, use the promo code Adonis, participate in the pick'ems. We already know it's done wonders for me. I'm sure it'll do wonders for you. And keep in mind, they will match your first deposit up to $100 only on Underdog Fantasy. Make sure you let them know I sent you.